Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back again with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch, and on this video, another comparison for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, and we will compare it with the Ailon GTS. Remember, we compared already the Ailon GTS with the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Right now, we are going to compare it with a much premium version of the Watch 5, the Watch 5 Lite. So if you are interested to see if what is the difference between the GTS and the Watch 5 Lite, watch this video. And of course, on this comparison review, we are going to compare the design, the specs, as well as the features. So if you're planning to get the GTS or the Watch 5 Lite, watch this video before you decide. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, let's begin and compare the two smartwatches. So we have the Redmi Watch 5 Lite and the GTS. So on the box, we have some preview of the specifications, especially the screen display. For the Ailon GTS, we have 1.83-inch TFT with a 240 by 284 pixel resolution. For our Redmi or Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 Active or Watch 5 Lite, we do have a 1.96-inch AMOLED screen display with a 410 by 502 pixel resolution. Both do have a heart rate monitoring and a blood oxygen monitoring, and with the support for the Bluetooth call. Okay, so this is the packaging. Sports health data monitoring, and the other one is the Focus Health and of course Sports Focus smartwatch. Okay, so let's put this aside. Let's check on the wearable. As you can see here, there's an obvious difference when it comes to the size. The GTS do have a much slimmer, much slimmer body frame and smaller frame also. Okay, not just slimmer but smaller frame. The screen display, 1.83-inch TFT. We do have here the AMOLED screen for our Lite. So the measurement for our Lite here, again, 1.96-inch. Okay, so much bigger screen display for a Redmi Watch 5 Lite. 2.5D glass, flat glass here for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So for the materials, both do have a plastic material, glossy finish with a rectangular power on and off button. Here we do have a flat finish with a circular power on and off button. At the back, both do have a quick release pin for its flexible silicone strap, plastic cover here, okay, housing the sensor. Pogo pin, both wearable do have a Pogo pin, charging cable, USB Type A. Okay, again for the side-by-side comparison of the design. So which is better? Of course, obviously, we do have the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. But for those who like a simple, minimalist style, I guess the Ailon GTS is for you. And of course, for if you consider the price. Okay, for the screen display, not bad for the GTS. It has a bright screen display. And of course, the Redmi Watch 5 Lite obviously do have a much better screen with its AMOLED technology and higher pixel resolution. Okay, so let's check on the weight here. So which is lighter, the Redmi Watch 5 Lite or the GTS? So let's see. So 42.81 for our Ailon GTS. We do have a 39. Okay, just see minor difference when it comes to weight. Okay, but of course for the dimension, there's an obvious difference for the size here. So I'm going to list out the dimensions here and the weight for both fitness tracker or for both smartwatches as well as the screen display. So check it out. Okay, so as you can see here, we do have the dimension here of the GTS, and the other one is the Watch 5 Lite along with the screen display size. Okay, so now that we are done with the dimension, the display, and the design, let's proceed with the UI of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite compared with the Aeon GTS. So let's check. On top we have the settings here, notifications for our Watch 5 Lite. For this one here, it's on the bottom. For the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, it's the opposite. They almost have the same options here, as you can see. For the notifications, it's on the bottom. So it's exactly opposite with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. On the left side, we have the split screen. Here we have the widgets or the cards. For our GTS, yes, it's all about cards. For the left side, it's all about split screen. Okay, so again, settings here and other options. Yes, notifications, split screen, widgets or cards, on the right side, widgets or cards also. Okay, to access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so we have here the activity tracking, the sports. We have the message notifications. We have the health. As you can see here, that's the good thing about the GTS. It's all categorized, including the Bluetooth call here, as you can see. Okay. Very good UI here. When it comes to the UI, I like the setup here of the Aeon GTS for its main menu. Okay, for the cards or the widgets, I like the Redmi Watch 5 Lite as it has more personalization options. We do have the health. This includes the heart rate, blood oxygen, and blood pressure. Also have here the heart rate and blood oxygen, but there's no blood pressure. But don't mind about the blood pressure for the GTS. It's unreliable. Menstrual cycle, breathing guide, sleep monitoring. We do have this music player control, events. We have the games. What are the utilities here? We do have the ambient sound, e-card. We don't have it here. But we have an events, calendar, and task. We have stopwatch and timer. We also have a here flashlight, calculator. We don't have a calculator for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. I don't know why Xiaomi did not add a calculator. Right now, I think for me, it is a must for wearables. We have the shutter, alarm, camera, weather, stopwatch, world clock, and the settings. I think both do have a very good list of options here. They're not the same, but each has its own feature here, good feature. Display, vibration intensity, do not disturb mode, media audio, low power mode, heater mode, password, system, language. Okay, as you can see here, the GTS can compete when it comes to its main menu. Okay, options on its menus, or shall we say the features. It can compete with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Okay, but when it comes to design, it goes to the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. And of course, the accuracy. So let's check on the sports function here. The Aeon GTS, although it is very affordable, do have a very good list of sports function here. The same with our Redmi Watch 5 Lite. The Redmi Watch 5 Lite do have more than 100 plus sports function. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the same with the Aeon GTS. It has a very comprehensive list of sports function. The only thing is, so it has a limited information or data when it comes to metrics. Okay, so as you can see, it only monitors the time, beats per minute, calories, steps, and distance. While for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite, there's a GPS, built-in GPS. It monitors for the time, the step, calories, as well as the pace here and the heart rate. Okay, so much better, I think, for our Watch 5 Lite. And of course, the accuracy also is very good. Let's end. Okay, and again, here are the menus and features. So let's take a look at the different menus and features here for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite compared with our Aeon GTS smartwatch. So which do you think is better? For the price, of course, Aeon GTS. But for the offered features, especially on the screen, display, and the design, I'll go for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So that's it for our comparison review of the Aeon GTS, comparing it with our Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch. Again, like, share, and subscribe.